Magluto po tayo ng steam buns or mantaw. Gagamit po tayo dito ng 2 cups all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon instant yeast, 1 teaspoon baking powder, then yung 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, at saka kalahating cup plus 2 tablespoon na gatas. I-knead po natin to at least 10 minutes hanggang maging smooth yung dough. Tapos ipaparest natin siya ng 3 minutes, takpan natin. After 3 minutes, roll na natin ang dough sa rectangular shape and fold na parang letter gaya ng ginagawa ko. Then roll ulit sa rectangular shape, then fold. 3 times nyo pong uulitin ang ganyang process na pag-roll and fold. I-brush muna po natin ng konting water ang dough bago i-roll gaya ng cylinder shape. Tapos isil po natin yung dulo. And then cut into 6 pieces. Lagyan ng wax paper each dough and iparest na sa steaming pot for about 45 minutes. Takpan. After 45 minutes, steam na natin ng 15 minutes only. And after 15 minutes, just open a small gap muna to let the hot air out for about 5 minutes para po hindi mag-deflate ang buns. After 5 minutes, okay na to be taste. Kainan na!